Okay, so now you can read the word. Rauhah, faster.
Farmer Jack is in a bad mood.
Good. Farmer Chuck is in a bad mood. Okay, so you can move two boxes. One, two. Okay, next, this one.
He sits on a seat to break.
But this one is long vowel. Read again.
He sits on a stool to break.
Good. He sits on a stool to brood. Okay, so you can move two boxes. Okay, next. This one.
Where are the hens in the coop?
Good. Where are the hens in the coop? Not cup, but coop. Okay, next. This one.
Where is the rooster?
Good. Where is the rooster? Okay, so you can move two boxes. One, two. Okay, next. Okay, this one.
And where is the cook?
And where is the goose? Okay, you can move two boxes. One, two. Okay. Next, this one.
He wants to give them food.
Good. He wants to give them food. Okay, can move two boxes. One, two. Okay, one more. Okay. Okay, this one. The last one.
Female
Uh-huh.
farmer Jack is going to take a good look around his farm.
Good. Farmer Chuck is going to take a good look around his farm. Okay, so you can move. Okay, you have reached the star.